Hey guys, I'm Tutorial Phil. Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a handheld video right now. I'm actually still in Tokyo. I just picked up this from the Dior pop-up earlier this morning and I wanted to quickly film this and show you guys what I got. So this video is going to be a bit different than my other ones because I'm not going to be able to really edit this and I don't have a tripod either. So I'm just using my iPhone, and this is the bag that the items came in. This is my second attempt. First attempt at Isitan was unsuccessful because I think the line was crazy long and I didn't go way before it opened, and unfortunately I missed Kim Jones. So this one is day 2. This is the pop-up at Ginza 6, and I think these are the new bags that Dior goods will come in. They no longer separate it via Dior women's and Dior men's. And you can see here that's the KAWS B. So it comes with, I think, all the purchases made for or made at the pop-up. So it's a silver B, and I think it is made out of metal. So this is the bag, and that's the sticker. So this is actually the first time I'm seeing the boxes, and it looks like they had one new one and one older one. This is the traditional Dior Homme packaging in the black with the glossy Dior in sentence case or title case, and this is the new one, which is in all caps and in the blue with the raised texture. So I'll start with this one first. Let's see what is inside. So I think this is the old dust bag as well, since Dior is in title case. So this is the Dior change purse, or I think that's what they call it, or change wallet. This is in navy with pink Dior type, and then you can see the yellow B there. The blue here is a fabric. This is the text is rubber as well as the B. And then you can see the zipper pull there is metal, and it still has the sticker on it. And the back is a mix of leather and the fabric material as well. So you have the blue here, and then this is all black leather. So this opens like that, kind of like a pochette on the top and the side, and it is gusseted so that this can expand. And then there's a leather tag inside as well. It's going to be really hard to pick up here, but it says Dior and KAWS, since this is a special collaboration. There's probably the made in tag is probably in there too, and I believe all of these are made in Italy. So this is the first item that I got, and I'll show you the receipt at the end, and it'll be all in Japanese yen since I purchased this at the Tokyo pop-up store. Here is the next item in the new packaging. So it looks like the new boxes are a little tougher to open, especially with one hand because they're deeper. And you can see the tissue paper also has Dior, the new logo, in all uppercase. It looks like the dust bag is still the same, or they didn't have the new ones yet. So this is another KAWS item. This one, the sales associate said was the last one left. This is with the pink bees. And I don't think this is specifically Japan exclusive, but the shirts that had the white text on black background with the pink Swarovski bees, those were Japan exclusive, and those basically just sold out right away. So you can see there, Dior. I think it says, can't really read what that says too well, but it says Dior. Oh, Dior and KAWS. And then there's also a pink accent in the back as well. You can see the top slot here. And then you have the 3 Bs here in 2 styles. This is a pretty standard card wallet. You have 1 front pocket, 1 back pocket, and then 1 large center compartment. So, and then these are just the tags that come with it. Compact card holder. So it looks like this color is a bit harder to get because of the pink bees as opposed to the yellow ones. And finally, here is the last item. I think you can tell that it's a ready-to-wear. So this is the navy blue t-shirt with the pink Dior in the KAWS treatment. And it's not a print. It's actually like a rubbery applique, and it's outlined in black, and I think it's speckled. I think it's like a velvet black lining to the letters, and this is like a pale pink, and then you can see the B is embroidered on, so it's not a print and it's not rubber. It's actually embroidered on. And these are oversized. I believe extra small is the smallest. And it fits more maybe between like an extra small and a small. And you can see the label is new too. It has the new Dior logo as opposed to the old one with the title case. And then lastly, I just wanted to show you the receipt. You can see it's purchased November 29th, which was the next day from the first pop-up on the 28th, 11:44 a.m. These are the 3 items that I got. So the card holder is 39,000 yen before tax. The t-shirt is 62,000, and then the zipped wallet is 49,000. And when you convert these to USD, it is approximately, if you drop the last 2 zeros and then you subtract about 12% or so, that's how much it is in USD. So the card holder, I think, is like 3,500. The t-shirt's around 5,600, and the zipper wallet's probably around 45 or 450. So around 350, 560, and 450. And that's my video. So these are the 3 items I picked up: the zippered wallet, the card holder, and the t-shirt. And they only limited 3 items. So these were all 3 that I got. They did have one of the saddlebags in stock, and they had several as display models, as well as the sneaker with the Dior logo, but they didn't have stock in those, and they didn't have my size. So these are just the 3 items I picked up. I'll try to do more details when I get back, since I'm still in Tokyo, so I'll probably try on the t-shirt when I get back to the United States. So thanks again for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Check me out on Instagram for the latest content, and I hope to see you in my next video.